Hello everyone. Today we are performing the basic programming in Arduino, which is blinking an LED. We are making use of a breadboard, an LED, and then an Arduino board. So LED, here we have two LEDs of this LED. One which is very much lengthier. It is longer. It is the positive pin, and the shorter one is negative pin. Program related to blinking LED. It's very simple. Initially, we are declaring a variable, an integer variable, LED, which we are connecting it to pin number 7 in Arduino board. In void setup, we are mentioning what pin we are using and what mode of the pin we are specifying. Like here, pin number 7 is the pin what we are using, and it is connected as output. And in loop, we are writing a program wherein which needs to work continuously. Like what we are doing here, we are mentioning digital write, means we are giving input to this particular LED as high, and after turning it high, we are making use of some delay. Normally, we will specify it as 1000. It means it is in terms of milliseconds. So 1000 milliseconds means 1 second. And then after 1 second of delay, again we are writing it as digital write LED low, means we are making it low. After making it low, it has to wait for 1 second, and then again it repeats, means it turn on and turn off with a delay of 1 second in between. Let me run this program. Before to that, these are the connections done in breadboard. We have a LED which is connected to one end here, and another end is connected to the ground, and this wire from ground, it is connected to ground pin, and the positive pin of LED is connected to pin number 7. Arduino board is connected to the computer with the help of this port. Once the board is being connected from the LED, from the computer or the laptop, we need to check for these connections, port connection, whether it is connected or not. Here it is showing tick mark for COM3 Arduino Uno. It means Arduino Uno board is being connected to the port, and the board what we have used is Arduino Uno. If we are using a different board, we can select that particular board. Because we are using Arduino Uno, I have selected Arduino Uno. And after looking for these connections, once I have written this directly, I can compile this by clicking this pin. Once the compilation is done, I will upload it. If you press this particular icon, it means it is uploaded, and LED is blinking. We can see the delay is 1 second. We can even change the delay. Like if I set it to 100 millisecond, then if you upload it, when you change the delay, when you reduce the delay, you can see how fast the LED is blinking.